Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add branded content on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then right here hit that plus sign, and now you can record a video, or you can hit add upload and then select some from your camera roll, just like that. Then hit on next, next again, and on that step all you have to do is just scroll down for a bit until you find more options, then get into it. And right here you can easily find branded content and ads. You can tap on that, and by hitting add that switcher you can enable branded content at your videos. So now I'm gonna hit add accept, and then I can turn it on in that simple way. After that you can hit on save, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.